Today we're at FloridaRAMA, an immersive art experience in the Warehouse Arts District in St. Pete. Let's check it out. I'm here with Sarah Harden, the marketing manager for FloridaRAMA. She's going to give us a little bit of background and history about this amazing facility. Sarah?
Yeah, so FloridaRAMA opened up in 2021. We just hit our 3 years. We started with 4 founders and we're currently run by our CEO, Liz Dimmitt. FloridaRAMA is a weird, wacky, wonderful immersive art experience diving into the craziest things and the coolest stories about Florida. We have over 75 local artists and we continue to add new things over time, month by month.
That sounds fantastic. Well, we look forward to checking it out.
Yeah. So are you ready to escape reality at the Mermaid Star Motel?
Absolutely. Let's head up Python Alley.
All right, let's go. Welcome to the Mermaid Star Motel, where things get weird, wacky, and wonderful.
I am really excited to check into the Mermaid Star Motel.
Just remember, you can check out, but you can never leave.
Wow.
So enjoy the magical powers of our restorative swimming pool.
Sounds great. Well, I forgot to bring a swimsuit, but the restorative powers of this magical swimming pool will be fantastic.
So this is called the Floridoscope, and when you look inside, you'll see a bunch of Florida creatures.
If I ever get married, we are staying right here in the Honeymoon Suite. I just love all the new shows that are coming out on TV right now. This is great.
And this amazing space is called Ray's Lab Landscape. Check it out. So this space is called the Temple of Cosmic Balance, created by Pale Horse, a local Florida artist. And he took over the entire room, from murals to sculptures to a spinning lamp and stained glass. So very cool installation. So this space is called CENTCOM. It's our undercover spaceship.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you one thing. SpaceX has nothing on us. We're heading out to Mars.
So we're standing right next to the bait ball. This is an 8-foot tall zoetrope, and it is a magical illusion of fish that are swimming. So we are here in the mermaid dressing room. This is the place where our mermaid resident gets ready for her performances. I also like to have some fun in the mirror over here. Lots of sensory fun installations and hundreds of thousands of seashells on the wall.
Hey, A merman has to look good as well. Come on.
So we're standing here inside of the RAMA Room. This is where we get our name FloridaRAMA from. We have over 30 resident FloridaRAMAs here, each telling a different Florida story. They're all unique and they all help dive deeper into the narrative here at the Mermaid Star Motel. But totally cool. Kids love it. You could spend hours in this one room by itself. So we're standing in Searchlight Sanctuary. This is one of our interactive technologies here at FloridaRAMA. You'll find some hidden numbers, some hidden animals. So it's really cool. All you have to do is hover your hand and the sensor will start to take control and you can control the spotlight. So we're here inside of Shrimpfinity, standing next to a 6-foot tall shrimp cocktail featuring a feast for your eyes.
Well, I tell you what, this is Florida. Awesome, world-class seafood. I'm getting really hungry. Wow, this is amazing. We are under the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. The water is rippling, and you see all of downtown St. Pete in the background, illuminated at night. Amazing.
So we're standing inside of the Fountain of Life. This is our magical aquifer. All of the water in the motel is sourced straight from here. And so the water it'll keep you living longer. So we're here partying in the Sugarcoat Disco Room. We have over 10,000 spoons on the walls, dazzling disco balls above our heads, and lots of delicious sculptures and paintings alluding to desserts and deliciousness.
Well, FloridaRAMA is absolutely fantastic. You've got to come down and check it out. Remember my motto, see it, do it. Back to you guys in the studio.